So back on Old Pacific Highway yet again, just going for a cruise. I've got Eva on the back and just testing out the GoPro. Let me close my tin vent actually because there's probably a lot of wind in there. Yeah, so I've been using the Drift Ghost for a long time now, and it's good in the sense that it's got really good battery life, but I'm just not happy with the footage. I think the quality's a bit, don't know, what's the word? I don't know, it's a bit subpar, I guess. And the reason I switched to that initially was because my helmet has a pointed front, and I couldn't mount one of the GoPro mounts, and on the side it was just too big and bulky. But I found this new way of mounting it called Subaru, which is like a moldable silicone, and it works really well. It's stuck to the front. So yeah, I put it on. I've got the GoPro and the Drift on and recording right now, so it'd be good to see what the comparison is. It's actually my second attempt because I tried Pro Tune on GoPro and it came out really washed out. It's almost like you need an NDR filter to get that to work. Remembered that Eva's on the back to take it a bit easier. So yeah, so let's see how the quality compares. It's going to be a short video to see while I cruise around Old Pacific Highway. Also curious to see how the audio comes out, because before I've always had real issues with GoPro audio. What seems to happen is that I get only one channel, and when I did my test last time I got the same issue. Only one, like the left side audio, the right side wasn't working. But I've got the exact same microphone and adapter that I use on the Drift plugged in, so let's see how it does. I'm curious to see if there's any difference in the way that they handle the audio, see if there's any audio quality change. So yeah, just a gentle cruise, and also a chance to see the new bike, the new beast. The Ninja's gone. Had this now for a few weeks and absolutely love it. It's so much fun. It's a proper bike. And yeah, got it from Canberra, so drove it back from Canberra. Had to get it, because that's a different state, had to get a blue slip to get it transferred over to New South Wales, which is a bit of a mission, but it's worth it because it saved me quite a bit of money. I got it for quite a good price. It's not perfect, it needs a bit of TLC, paint could be in better condition, but it's S1000 baby. Got the 2015, some photographers up there, something dead on the road just there. Oh, I love it. It's such a beautiful day. Spring's back. It's yeah, close to summer. Perfect. It's really nice. But yeah, we're going to the tunnel. Eva's got her camera. She wants to practice doing some photography. She's been doing some courses lately, and she's really come a long way actually. Her photography skills have gone through the roof. How does the video and audio compare then? I'll put up, just in case there's any difference in the audio quality, I'll put up some footage of the Drift, because at the moment I've got the microphone plugged into the GoPro, so I'll put up some footage from the Drift, a bit of an audio clip from that, to see if there's any difference. Hello, hello, hello. Just picked up a new bike, S1000RR. Driving it home at the moment, on my way back from Canberra to New South Wales. It's about a 4-hour drive, and I'm probably about just under halfway through. But so far pretty good, nice and comfortable. Cruise control saving my life at the moment. Because you have to turn the sensitivity of the microphone right down on the drift, otherwise it sounds mental. Yeah, there's 3 sensitivity settings, so you set it down to 1 and it sounds okay. But again, it's still not the best quality. But what a beautiful day, man. A lovely day for a cruise. This is Eva's first time on the bike. She's been on the Ninja a few times, but this is the first time for her on the Beamer. She says she's more comfortable, which is a good thing. It's more comfortable than the Ninja, and she also said that it vibrates less. But I think that's just because it's a 4-cylinder, so there's less of a what's the way to describe it? Less of a break between the pistons firing, so it's a smoother overall experience. So a couple of things that I also don't like about the GoPro is the way it handles files. I don't like how it breaks each file up, or each video, into so many different files. And the battery life is not great. I get about, this is a Hero 4. Yep, another sign for police. So there's a few about today. Oh my. Yeah, so the battery life is not great. I get about an hour with the Hero 4, whereas with the Drift I was getting about 6 hours, 5 to 6. So it's actually, I think the Drift is the perfect dash cam. The quality's not the best, but it doesn't really matter for a drift cam. I mean, for a dash cam, you just put it on, set it running, capture everything. If there's anything interesting, take it. If not, delete it, charge it. So I get about a week out of it. It's not bad. But the GoPro, I'm finding that you have to charge every single time, which is a bit of a pain. But I think I prefer the wider angle and the quality of the footage to the Drift. So anyway, let's see how it comes out. I've got it set to 1080p Super View, which I think is the widest setting, which would also help because I think with the Drift it came out really shaky. Now there's no stabilization on the Hero, but when I used to use it in Bermuda it wasn't that shaky, so I think the wider viewing angle will help with the shakiness. It just helps smooth it out. Anyway, we'll see. We will see. And depending on which wins, will be what I use going forward. Like I say, I think for a dash cam, just riding to and from work, it'll be the Drift. But if I actually want to record any footage, it'll be the whatever the winner of this test is. But I much prefer the chin mounted view to the side mount. I don't like how you can see part of the helmet on the side mount, and I don't like the angle of it. Whereas the chin, it's almost like one-to-one with what I'm actually looking at. I also really like the look of those new Insta360 cameras. Some of the bike footage with those cameras is unbelievable. Just in the Old Pack Tunnel, just been taking some pictures. He was practicing her photography. And yeah, about to go stop at old Road Warriors Cafe for something to eat. But there she is. There's the beauty. As you can see, person before me didn't use the best cloth for cleaning. Lots of scratches, but it's purely cosmetic. Otherwise, she's all good. And yeah, beautiful day.